Coming up, Shannon, tell our audience today what is going to happen here at today's conference.
Oh, well, guys, look, here at the United Creditors Connect, we are poised to do two things. Bring value to all that attend, not just vendors, credit unions, finance companies, all alike.
Your career belongs to you. And when you start changing the way you think, you won't see it as a job. You'll see it as an opportunity to impact people, to change the credit union industry, to change your county, to change your state. That there was something different about all of us. You never know whose lives you're going to impact and change, and you don't know who's going to change yours. You must change the way you think. People that are purpose-driven live a much more fulfilled life. So the thing you do gives you the greatest amount of joy. Whenever you perform this act, this function, other people get joy. They enjoy it. And the third thing is, you will be asked to do it over and over and over again. So how do you get there? By building your knowledge, by building your base, by not becoming irrelevant, staying relevant, by attracting people into your life that you can learn from. It would sound like this: I believe in you. I see so much more in you. I wish you could see what I see. This whole thing, believing in people. I believe in you. I believe in you.
Empowering your credit union isn't just an investment. It's the key to unlocking unparalleled service, fostering a culture of trust, and driving sustainable growth. Seize the opportunity that Mr. Milton Hunt presents by taking action to propel your credit union's culture to new heights of excellence. Schedule your free 30-minute call with Mr. Hunt today and sculpt a future where your credit union thrives.